Hey guys, this is Mark from NullTX, and today we will be talking about Bitcoin's price. Currently we are trading at 83.50, up about $1,000 in the past 2 days, so this week has been off to an amazing start, and hopefully we can keep this momentum going. Looking at the news, we have kind of an explanation for the recent price rise. BlackRock executives and Wall Street-based investors are showing interest in the cryptocurrency, which means that if this institutional money starts flowing into the crypto market, the prices should slowly start increasing and hopefully hit new highs. Also, the SEC appears to be showing more leniency towards the idea of allowing a Bitcoin ETF by opening up the comments for public on current ETF proposals. So that is definitely great news. So another thing is some sources are kind of giving examples of what would have happened if you would have bought Bitcoin last month, how the price went up about 50%. You would have had around $1,420 today. So there's pretty much saying that a spike to 10,000 would, it's not that unlikely, and it actually would bring the currency to about 50% dominance, which again is not unlikely. Another thing is some people are saying that Bitcoin is subject to Metcalfe's law, which says that a size of a certain network is proportional to the square of the number of connected users, and they later replaced the square with 1.69. So saying the more users Bitcoin has, the higher the price, and that kind of makes sense. But Forbes, a Forbes contributor, did some analysis, and he said that using Metcalfe's law, and he did some calculations with the amount of Bitcoin users. I'm not too sure exactly how he did it, but he came to the conclusion that the market cap of Bitcoin should be closer to 50 billion, which would put each coin valued at 28.55. So that he's saying, in conclusion, his reports is saying that currently Bitcoin is overvalued. And some may believe that, some may not. I mean, maybe instead of using the amount of users, you should use the amount of transactions Bitcoin has instead, but that can also be easily faked. So the report does have a disclaimer, and it says that it's difficult to know the true number of active users because a single user can have multiple addresses that can be distinguished by other people. Moreover, the developer guide on Bitcoin.org discourages key reuse, advising that each key should only be used for 2 transactions, blah, blah, blah. Depending on to what extent this advice is followed, this measure is thus an unclear mix between the number of daily users and the number of daily transactions. So again, it's not very clear how many true users Bitcoin has just because of all the bots and all the activity that's hard to track. So going back to the price, again, it was really good that we held this recent price spike over the weekend, and now that the new week began, there's more positive momentum. I'm thinking that some of our next resistance is obviously the 8,500 level, just because kind of had some movement around here, and it's just kind of a round number, so people are going to be like, oh, Bitcoin is at 8,500, I'm gonna sell some of my bag. I don't know, but also 9,000 is obviously going to be a big level, and obviously a big 10,000 level. So hopefully, I'm hoping that we will try and test 8,500 tomorrow or the day after that, and hopefully by the end of the week we will settle on the new resistance, hopefully around 87, 88, maybe play around that resistance level during the weekend, and next week hopefully we'll push straight to 10,000. Looking at TradingView, we do have a buy signal, so that is quite good. And yeah, I think that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Mark. I'm from NullTX, and I'll see you guys next time.